run derby.
Home run.
One home run. Two home runs. One out. Two outs.
Stupid home run. Yeah, home run. If it hits the dirt, it's home.
Is that 3 home runs?
Yeah, 3 and 2 outs.
3 home runs, 2 outs.
We played wiffle ball with this fatty, and then I struck him out for the game-winning home run. Who fatty didn't even hit the ball. He only got a triple.
Nice.
I had 3 home runs and 2 outs yet.
3 home runs and 2 outs for, what's your name?
Bill Hall.
3 home runs, 2 outs for...
He sucks this year. David Ortiz.
3 home runs and 2 outs for David Ortiz.
No, run.
Okay. 3 home runs, 2 outs for Ryan Braun.
I'm David Ortiz. Wait, I'm Pedroia. I'm Dustin Pedroia's up next.
Pitch! 3 outs, 3 home runs, 4 home runs, 3 outs, 5 outs, 5 outs, 3 home runs.
I want a hamburger.
7 outs.
Are you concession stand? I want a hamburger.
No,
I want
go
a
away.
hamburger. You stupid.
Oh my God, what are you gonna do to me now?
6 home runs.
6 home runs.
Tanner, get this on tape. Home run, 7.
7 home runs.
Tanner, get this on tape.
Just pitch already. 8 home runs.
What?
You got 8 home runs.
8? Yeah. Proof it. Ryan Brown has 8 home runs.
Ryan Braun has 8 home runs.
6 outs.
Just pitch.
Hit the tree down and then home run. 9 home runs.
6 outs, 9 home runs. 7 outs. 8 outs. Make that 8 outs. Who are you? Why do you keep coming to me asking for a hamburger?
I'm Dustin Pedroia. I'm not that hamburger dude. Get this on tape.
Why do you like hamburgers? You like hamburgers. Why do you like hamburgers?
15th Ave in Port
to beat 9 home runs. Now Ryan Brown is going to join me up in this house thingamabobber.
Bernie Brewer's house.
Hello.
What's up?
My name is Bernie Brewer.
My name's Ryan Brown. Yeah!
Who's this big guy name? What's your name, big guy? And I know the guy over there is the hamburger lover.
What's your name, son?
Big guy? What's your name, big guy?
I don't know.
He doesn't have a name. He's an orphan. He's an orphan. There's my little sister.
Don't get her in the video.
But she's cool.
KK? What?
She's coming up here by us. My little sister's coming up. Hurry up!
Oh, he hit his balls.
He hit his balls on that.
Homer!
Home run.
Have a hug.
There's my little sister.
Wave, wave, wave. Here they go. None.
How much outs?
One home run and
One home run, 1 out.
Oh,
2 home runs. Two home runs, 1 out. Here at Miller Park.
are you in your pajamas? In my pack. What? In my pack. Pants?
Okay, we're actually at Yankee Stadium. Just go.
Yeah, my hat.
Is that 2 outs now?
Put it on.
2 home runs.
This is Bruni. This is. Ow!
He hit his head.
2 outs. No kidding.
2 outs and how much home runs?
2.
2 outs, 2 home runs.
3 home runs.
3 home runs.
Oh! Here's one of them.
Stay tuned for part 2 coming up.